Mirante da Biruta, 570 meters above the sea level. IRACEMÁPOLIS. Chopper number 1.
Cherry and baby tomatoes.
This view is just amazing. This is amazing, guys. God will provide me with the strength and determination to make this hill. Whoa, we made it. We made it.
Now we go.
Up the hill, you know, with Noah and those bagaderos right here, back and full with the stuff.
What?
Oh boy.
What
All right, guys. Okay.
I speak then.
Right.
I'm okay.
Even this small thing, you know, will make a big impact in the natural environment. So right now, Noah and me gonna clean up this here. Keep it clean and safe the natural environment. Oh my God, look at that, Noah.
What?
Citronella.
Yeah.
It smells so good. I love the tea at night. It will make you relax, and also for any illness of swollen, you know, in your body, it's going to help you, you know.
Come now. No, we have to cook this.
Cherry and baby tomatoes.
Guys, I have to let you know, in Brazil, especially this area, I don't know the other areas in Brazil, it's amazing. I mean, you can find any fruit. I'm talking about guava, mangoes, avocados, blackberries too, baby tomatoes. Wow, look at that meat. It's looking real good, guys. Oh yeah. Cooking, camping, family, and this flat best screen TV here.
Hey, baby, you're just in place. There's no payment.
To bless this meal. Amen. Let's eat,
Amen.
buddy.
I
tell you what, we're gonna finish it, and we're gonna show you this with the drone. Episode number 1 here in IRACEMÁPOLIS. It's okay, I will clean it up, buddy. I'm here with Noah. As you saw all the footage, you know, all the videos. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, you know, give me that thumb up if you like this video. Comment if you've been here before, you know. And if you camp here, let's go. If you camp here, and a good energy, good vibe, and love for all of you guys, you know. Thank you very much. Until the next time.